Hey, what's up everybody? I'm here to help explain the new 𝗜𝘺install kit that we just launched. 𝗜𝘺install, just to start, equals dry install. So 𝗜𝘺install is what we're going to be calling the dry install method. So just keep that in mind. So anytime you see 𝗜𝘺install mentioned, it's in reference to dry install. Now before you just go, oh, I don't want to do a dry install, you stop watching this. Dry install is 100% optional. And this kit is a way for us to give you the tools to do dry install without any big investment. And honestly, the film alone is worth more than what we're selling this kit for. So, we're trying to push these, give you guys a good deal, and basically teach you a new method. We're hoping that you guys like it a lot. As of right now, the 𝗜𝘺install cuts are going to be live on the application this morning. You've never seen them before. Those cuts are going to be available for about 1,000 different devices right now. It's mostly flagships, but it's for over 1,000 devices. So they're definitely going to be growing that, but we need your feedback. So, I hope you can listen to me and, see what's inside these kits, and, let us know once you give it a try, and, we'll go from there. But let's dive into this. So inside these beautiful boxes is going to be another box that has a QR code right here. It says start right here. So what you're going to do when you get these kits is go ahead and scan this, and what it's going to do is bring you to the LMS system, which you can access anytime inside the settings of the 𝗓𝘃𝗄 app. But essentially what this will do is bring you to the training, so that way you can read up on what 𝗜𝘺install is, for doing dry install method, and figure out kind of the methods, the steps, how to do it. And of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to us, we'll help you out. This is obviously new, we're here to help. So we've been practicing this method for several months now, and just been very excited to show it to you guys, so definitely looking forward to feedback. So it's not just a QR code in this box. Inside is going to be a lot of good little things here. So off the rip, let's just go ahead and do the biggest benefit of this kit, which is going to be the film. So it comes with 25 small Ultra 2, and it also comes with 10 medium plus Ultra 2. So if you were to buy these films, it's going to, like the 25 and the 10, 35 films total, that would cost you more than this kit costs alone. So just keep that in mind. Also inside the kit, you're going to get an additional pair of tweezers, an additional 4-inch squeegee, one of the new auto blades, and just keep in mind, this is only for the Express 3 and the Express 2. We will have the Express 4 blades, which not too many of you guys have yet, but it's the newer generation machine. We'll have those blades available hopefully later this week on the website. Inside the 𝗜𝘺install kit though, it'll come with the new auto blade. What the auto blade is just an upgraded blade. It'll help a lot when it comes to the 𝗜𝘺install cuts. So just make sure before you do any 𝗜𝘺install cuts that you pop in the new blade, so that way you're all good to go. If you have an Express 4, those come with the auto blade already, so don't worry about waiting for a new blade. I just mentioned them just in case you do need another one. We will stock them soon. So like 2, Express 3, which is what most of you guys have, make sure you put this blade in before you do any of the cuts. Comes with a new microfiber cloth, and then for the 𝗜𝘺install, there's this little rubber mat that you'll use, and you'll see this in the training video as well. It's just a little silicone mat that'll stick down in your workplace, and it helps hold the device in place, because when you do the 𝗜𝘺install method, you can't have the device moving. So this helps hold it in place. So that's going to be in the kit as well. So that's everything inside this box. But there's still a little bit of good stuff here underneath this little flap. So just lift up the flap, and if you have the Express 3 machine, it will have new branding stickers for you. So if you already have them, you can go ahead and swap them out and get some fresh ones. And if you don't, this is a great way to make the plain white machine look a lot better. And then another sticky mat. So I know a lot of you guys already have these. This is the newest generation that has the pick scan mat on the back of it. But you get another one. It's never hurts to have an extra cutting mat. And if you do not have one of these sticky cutting mats, buy one right now, or get an 𝗜𝘺install kit so you can have one. It is like the best advancement that they've had in a long time. Not having to use the stickers is incredible. So that's going to be everything that comes in this kit. Definitely think it's a lot for $179.99, and we hope you guys like it. And just to mention, there's an Express and a light version. The only difference between those two, this was the Express that I opened, and this right here is the light. The only difference is going to be the cutting mat itself and the machine stickers. So everything else is going to be the exact same. The only thing is you obviously need a different cutting mat because it's smaller, and then your machine's smaller as well, so it's smaller advertisement stickers. But you'll still get all the film, you'll still get the easy install mat, you'll still get the blade, everything. So these are going to be online as of right now. I'm filming this on Saturday, just getting it ready for you guys, and you know, please share your feedback once you get a chance to try it out. You know, we'll try to put out some more videos. You know, I hope to plan to do some install videos as well on top of what's already available from Protection Pro. And as always, just any feedback that you have, pass it along. That's how we find out what we need to do better and everything. And you know, we very much appreciate all you guys, and you know, looking forward to seeing how this goes. But yeah, thank you for watching, and have a great day.